Hey, I'm Sankalp. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Turnkeys Global. We are an advertising agency. And if you are planning to start an online business, if you are planning to launch your online hustle, side hustle, or you're a freelancer, you want to know things about online business, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur or you are struggling with your entrepreneurship, this 5 series workshop is for you. I have tried to clarify each and every doubt that various people have actually shared with me over one-to-one sessions, over my coaching calls. Now here in this workshop, I'm covering various different aspects like what is very lucrative to get started with, if you are just getting started, what you should consider, certain myths about online marketing, the various different business models of online marketing, what are the skill sets that you need to succeed in the online marketing, what is the relevance of selling in online marketing, what kind of revenues you can expect, and all of that. So it's a power pack knowledge based series in which I am providing you with information that you need, especially if you are planning to launch your online business.